Hello, my name is Alexander. This is my first video on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to go over the trade I took today. First, some info about me. I started trading about 3 years ago and became profitable about 1.5 years ago. I have multiple payouts, as you can see right here from Top Step, and right now I'm on my Alpha account. These are qualified, and I have 3 other evals, which I'm going to do later. This is my P&L so far this month. I have a good month so far. And in my Discord, I have trade recaps with my friends, which I type in Norwegian. So here I'm posting my recaps as well as with my brother, who is also trading. He also became profitable by learning from me. So that's some info about me, and now I'm gonna go over the trade setup. I was bullish today because we swept out these 1 hour lows right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. The target for this month is probably gonna go to all-time highs again. We had a bearish week so far, and my bias was because of this sweep. I then went down to a lower time frame, and I waited for a retrace into a 5 or 15-minute gap. I could see that we retraced into a 5-minute gap right here, but I was more hoping for the 15 to get retraced. So at market open, I'm gonna change it to New York. Market open right here, we immediately began to displace upwards, and my bullish bias was confirmed. After the retrace in the 15-minute gap, I was then going down to different time frames because that's my model, and I would see which fair value gap would get inversed or disrespected on the highest time frame. So if it was a 1-minute gap, there was a 1-minute gap right here, but since there's also a 2-minute gap, I would instead look at that one to get inversed. So I entered the trade after the 2-minute inverse, and I got my stop loss under this candle, because if we inverse this 1-minute gap right here, I am not willing to be in this trade anymore, so it would most likely go take this low. I was wondering if I would go break even at this high or just take profit, but after ES created SMT divergence at those highs at the same time, I would close out my position for about $3,000 or no, yeah, $3,000 on my account, so 30,000 kroners. After this SMT, I took out the trade, and my other position, which I was also hoping to take with this 1-minute inverse after this 5-minute, it would have been stopped out, so I'm happy I didn't take that one. I am now teaching my friends and my brother as well. He was profitable, so this is the channel we're using, and this is where I post my recaps and my reasons why I took the trade. I am on a 11 win streak, so I am doing quite good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope we will see you soon with another recap tomorrow.